Hi everyone. I have just come to, I think it's called Standing Man's Jump. And this view stretches out for miles. I can see lakes in the distance. I can see everything. Spirit is loving it. I'm loving it. It's cool to get to see so many peaks and to know that I'm on one of these peaks. Just kind of a crazy experience. I'm tired. I feel short of breath today, so I'm taking it a little bit easier. But we're making good miles. We're making good time, and I'm having a enjoyable walk. One more last look before I take off.